Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel Finance for Beginners, where today I'm here with another video to show you guys on how you can trade on an investing.com app. Here I have already opened my investing.com. First things first, I do assume you have already downloaded and logged in into your account on investing.com. After logging into your account, it will be on the coins page of investing.com. Now you can see that it is different from how it was before some months ago, because investing.com app has changed and now you are able to trade only these coins. But fear not, because even trading on investing.com with these coins is very fruitful, because you can get all the knowledge you need to know about this coin. If you select on any one kind of coins, you can see all the overview, its news, analysis, historical data, and markets as well. You can select for very different options as you wish, and if you go on to the last, and you can see an option for chart as well. Now if you go on to charts, you will also be able to see the charts of the coins that you wish for. If the chart is loading up on your screen or not loading up on your screen and showing rotate to view full chart, you can simply go on to the overview again, and from here below overview you can see a two opposite arrow button. If you click on this, you can see that now the chart will be fully displayed sideways on your screen, and you are able to read the chart more better. Here you can see that the chart has loaded up and you are able to see its form, and now you are also able to select its timestamp on the right hand side of the screen. You can see there's a cross button to log out of cross of this chart, but if you want to differentiate the timestamp, there is on the left hand side. You can see 5:30, 1 hour, 1 day, and month, and so much more. And if you scroll down, you can also see all the other information that you need to know about your coin. If you go on to the technical option, you can see it is on hourly, daily, weekly, and monthly basis. This is the process on how you can trade on investingapp.com. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for a review, and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.